The way you connect to Griffith Wi-Fi has changed. Follow these steps to ensure you remain connected. If you have previously connected to the Griffith University Wi-Fi network, you must forget this network in order to continue. To do this, go to your device Wi-Fi settings, locate Griffith University Wi-Fi, tap and select Forget this network. Under your device Wi-Fi settings, select Set up Griffith Wi-Fi network. Open a Safari web browser and go to wifi.griffith.edu.au. Click Sign In. Enter your Griffith single sign-on credentials and log in. Enter your S number followed by @griffith.edu.au and click Join Now. Select Allow when prompted. Profile has downloaded. Click Close. Go to your device settings, Profile downloaded, and select Griffith University Wi-Fi profile. Select Install and install profile when prompted. Enter your password, then hit Next. Click Done. Your profile has now been downloaded and you're connected to the Griffith University Wi-Fi.